Okay, so what she was saying is, okay, she wants to see the request here. Okay, so where we are loading the data, we have the data in the, this is not mine, this one. Okay, this is my info queue. Okay, let me load the data again. Okay, I'm just say schedule. Okay, data was requested. Select your data source, right click, manage. Right, if you see here, you can see the request with the red color icon. If it is green color with the right symbol, that means it is successfully loaded to the target. If the data is not loaded to the target, then it will be with the red symbol. Okay, now select the request, go to PSA maintenance, say continue. Now you will be able to see this change request, right? This is the one what you're talking about, right, Sureka?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now once I load this data to my data target, okay, now I have the data in the PSA. Okay, fine. The other thing what I want to show you here is, yesterday I told you that this one, right? Okay, fine. Now I'll load the data to the data target. So I'll run the DTP. Okay, there is one error record. Why? Yesterday we have seen this one. Why did you get this error? Drill down. If you open this one, because there is one C100 at the rate and hash are there. That is the reason it's a special characteristics which are not defined in your BW system. That is the reason you got this error. Okay, right? So now if I go and check in data source level for the same request, PSA maintenance, say continue. Okay, see, I don't have this. Even though the data is not successfully loaded to my target, but still I don't have a change option. Why? Because this says PSA has already sent the request to my target, but it is successful or failure, it is irrelevant to it. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to delete the request from the target. See, it's a bad request. It is a bad request, red color. If you want to delete the request, select the request, click on delete. Okay, now go and check data in the PSA. Select the request, go to PSA maintenance, say continue. See, now you got this. So select the request, go to change mode and remove this. Save it. Now load the data. It will load successfully. Okay?
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Fine. So yesterday we are saying about how to load the data to the DSO. How to load the data to the DSO. Okay. One thing what I have explained you is, if you open the DSO, you have key fields and data fields. The function of these key fields and data fields is, As I said, ODS has override functionality. ODS has override functionality. Suppose I have a data like this. Okay, CID, PID, VID, price, okay, and also I have another quantity. Okay, so I have a data like this: C100, P200, P300, 10, and 5. Okay, now I have loaded this data to my DSO. Okay, suppose if I place all these three, customer ID, product ID, and vendor ID, if I place all these three as a primary key, means this should be unique, then only the data will overwrite. Suppose I am trying to load the same data, C100, P200, V300, and if I say here 20 and 5, what does it will do? As the ODS has override functionality, these values will be overwritten with this. These values will be overwritten with this. Okay. Suppose in the key fields, I am placing only these two. In the key fields, I am placing only these two. Okay. And here, if I say 301, then what will happen? Will it overwrite or it will add? Create a new record.
No, it won't overwrite, sir. It will add, sir.
Right, it will add, because this is not my key field. This is not my key field. Only if these two are same, then only it will overwrite. Okay? Fine. And the other thing is, whenever we load the record, we have an option called, okay, there's a field called 0 record mode. This maintains the images of the record. It maintains the images of the record. So whenever we load the new record, it will load as a N. N is nothing but new data. And this is maintained in my change log table. See, I have data in the DSO, right click, manage. Okay. When you load the data initially, it will not load the data to the active data table and change log table. It will be only available in the new data table. Once you activate it, then it will move to the active data table and change log table. Okay, if you click on change log and click on execute, see, what is this one? This record?
New record, sir.
N means new record. If you want to see what are the images, these are the 7 images. N is equal to new image, space is equal to after image, X is equal to before image, A is equal to add image, D is equal to delete image, R is equal to reverse image. 1 minute, guys. So what I am saying is this zero record mode is available in the change log table. Change log table, and this change log table maintains the zero record mode info object, which maintains the images of the record. Images of the record. What are the images? After image, before image, add image, delete image, new image, reverse image, and update image. Okay, fine. Now we'll take this example. Okay, I have C100, P200, and V300. Okay, and further to have price and quantity, right? And what I do is I'll try to load again same data, one record, one new record, and one update record. Okay, I'll load 3 records now. Let's see how does it load. Okay, so batch 15. Okay. Fine. Okay. I'll try to load one same record. Okay. C100, P200, V300, I'm loading same record. And this one, I'm changing it. Okay. Say 40 and 10. 40 and 10. And another one is, I'm loading a new record. Instead of VC02, I'll say VC03. Okay. So there are 3 records I'm trying to load here. Okay. I'm saving it in the CSV file. As I told you, whenever we are loading the data to the BW system, the file format has to be always a CSV. Okay, great. Now we load the data. So I have a pipeline already created. I need not to create every time a pipeline. So go to your info package. Go to your info package. Go to extraction tab. Go to extraction tab and give your file path here. Okay, this is my file that I want to load it. Go to schedule and click on start. How many records it has to load here?
3 records, sir.
3 records. Yes, in the PSA level, you will be able to see 3 records. Right? How many records are there? 3 records. 3 records from 3 records. If you want to check the data, go to PSA maintenance. Click on continue. Right? CID, C100, P200, V300, the same record. Next one is this one, 101, 201, 301. I have changed the values. Key figures only. I have changed only the key figures. Third one is I have changed the one of the key fields. Instead of V302, I have used V303. Okay, and the key figures are same. Fine. Now load the data to the DSO. So run your DTP. Run your DTP. Open DTP and click on run. Okay. Oh. 1 minute, because we have loaded the data, right? So Okay, fine. Now run your DTP. How many records?
3 records, sir.
3 records are there. Okay. Now check the data in the DSO. Select your DSO. Right click. Manage. Okay. Go to see. Here we don't have the request for reporting symbol. That means the data is not available for reporting because it is still available in the new data table only. Right. So go to content tab. Go to content tab. Then go to new data. Click on execute. See, in new data, we'll see all the 3 records. In new data, we'll see all the 3 records. Okay.